class just to ensure they connect with the students when not coming to class meant missing lessons, or when they work extra hours, usually late in the night, to ensure all students understood. Introducing the Mwalimu Plus Learning Management System, an education management tool that fits in with the country's education system and allows schools and parents to monitor students' progress effectively. From tracking and reporting to providing resources and effective learning tools, teachers and parents alike will be in the loop of each child's progress. With Mwalimu Plus, schools will not need to invest heavily in infrastructure. That's because the system offers the necessary tools, tablets and the software at a great cost to enable schools get off successfully. Things are changing, and the Mwalimu Plus Learning Management System is at the forefront of this change.
Sisi tukiwa wengi hivi, sauti yetu itajaa Kenya mzima. Praise the name of the Lord, that Kenya belongs to God. No koro andu ni makoigire kuraihu ona matienda ku associate nawe ni tondu wa wathe o wothe wa muturire waku. Mtu akikwambia corona unamwambia Kenya belongs to God. Na ide tarere kuihurite nduma, may God show his favor upon your life. Mungu akikwambia nzige unamwambia Kenya belongs to God. Ni tondu we mwarire metha ta Mephibosheth uri arirwo metha ati arirega thiini wa metha ya muthamaki. Na kiugo kia mwisho gia bururi wa Kenya gikoragwo na Ngai.
Rathimu ni kihunjio kuma kanitha-ini wa CFF Kiambu o kiumia thaa 3 cia rucini na gucokerwo thaa 6 nginyagia thaa 7 cia mĩaraho thiini wa Kameme TV.
Kuma Kirinyaga, Kiri Biroiro, Kiajahi, Mutaburuko wa